Okay. Dear students, how are you? I am fine by the grace of Allah. I hope that you are quite well. In the epidemically spread out COVID-19. Okay. Last classes I have already given some rules of transformation. Now I want to tell you rest of the some rules of transformation. I have taught you affirmative to negative, affirmative to interrogative. Then I teach you assertive to exclamatory. Today our topic is assertive to exclamatory. Assertive to exclamatory. Dear students, if A oblique N, if A oblique N remain in assertive sentence, you will follow the rule. You will follow the rule. A oblique N. Thus come to the rule. Number 1. What plus adjective plus subject plus verb plus note of exclamation. Dear students, when you find any sentence assertive to exclamatory, then A oblique N, it is the rule. I shall give you an example. He is a good boy. You will see that in this sentence A. So you have to roll. What? Then adjective. A good boy. After subject, he. Last of verb. And note of exclamation. Now the answer, what a good boy he is. Then another example, I shall be write the whiteboard. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. The Padma is a big river. Dear students, same situation as previous sentence. Then you have see the A. So you will write the what. Again what? What a big river. Then subject Dipadma. Subject is last of note of exclamation. So we came to we find the answer what a big river Dipadma is. After that, another rule I shall teach you. Follow me, dear students. You read in class 6. After you promoted class 7, you will see the rules and elaborately. So, attention please. Remember it, the rule. Rule 2. If you do not find a oblique n in an assertive sentence, so you have to follow the rule. How plus adjective plus subject plus verb plus note of exclamation. Okay. Dear students, in this rule, I shall give you an example. You are fine. This sentence has no any a oblique n. So you have the rules. How? Adjective, fine. Subject, you. Last use the are and note of exclamation. You are fine. And another example I shall be write in the whiteboard. Follow me. They are poor. They are poor. They are poor. Follow the whiteboard. It has no a oblique n. So the rules of number 2, how. First of all the sentence how, starting how, then adjective poor, subject they, and last are, note of exclamation. I think that, my dear students, if you follow my class, I think that you must be do well in the exam. And whenever the school open and again the class started, when the exam start, you must be found the sentences, I think that. And these rules, last class I have taught you affirmative to negative, assertive to, remember it, assertive to interrogative, assertive exclamatory. Now I shall teach you another related, transformation related topic, degree. Transformation related degree. Firstly, you know the degree. Degree means compare. and adjective will compare is called degree. Now I want to know and I want to teach you the what kinds of degree there are. Firstly, there are three kinds of degree. First, positive. Number 2, comparative. Number 3, superlative. Superlative. Dear learners, you will find the question in the exam hall. Changing degree. Positive to comparative, comparative to positive, positive to superlative, etc. question you will find the exam. So, I shall teach you the rules of positive to comparative. Follow the class, dear students. Firstly, remain added no other. Remain added no other. This rules will last of sentence has given sentence plus verb plus positive to comparative form plus than any other plus after no other before verb. That is the rule of positive to comparative. Now, I shall show you an example. Dear students, follow me. I shall show you an example. No other boy in the class is as good as Rakib. That is the example show you, dear students. No other boy in the class is as good as Rakib. These are rules. Last of sentences has given a sentence Rakib. Then you have to use the verb. Rakib is. After that, positive to comparative. Rakib is better. Rules of than any other. After no other and before the verb. Boy in the class. That is answer. Dear students, if you follow the class, I think that you will do better in the exam. And another example to you. No other city in Bangladesh is as large as Dhaka. Dear students, as previously rules you have to use. According to first rules, Dhaka, then verb, after that positive to comparative, larger, then any other, no other remain before verb. City in Bangladesh. Dear students, we get the answer. Dhaka is larger than any other city in Bangladesh. Added no other after second rule. Second rule, I shall be show with example in the whiteboard. My dear learners, very few remain added, very few. Remain added, very few. Last of subject, has given sentence plus verb plus positive to comparative form plus you have to substitute then any other, no use the very few, field of very few, then most other, only one change and rest of rules are similar, then most other plus after very few before verb example I shall show you in the whiteboard. Listen to me, dear students. Very few poets are as famous as Kazi Nazrul. Dear students, rules of last of subject Kazi Nazrul, and then verb Kazi Nazrul singular, so you will be add the verb singular verb is, not use the plural verb. Very few equal to are, and singular verb when use the is. Nozul is, and then degree, famous, more famous. Than most other. Than most other. And very few before verb. Poets. We will get the answer. Dear students, Kazi Nazrul Islam, Kazi Nazrul is more famous than most other poets. My dear students, I am teaching you degree, and very carefully you will be so follow me. I am end of the class, so I am going to some homework, and this homework you will be solved. Then another class, show me. Positive to rules of positive to comparative. Positive to superlative. Dear students, thank you very much. I have finished my classes. More thanks for you.